What's up guys, this is Ace again. Today is March 15th. We're back at 2222 Woodrow Street again in Durham, North Carolina. This is Watts Hellendale. 4 houses on the lot. Right now there's only 2 left. As you can probably see right there. Location, and the other one is sold. Only 2222 and 2218 are left. Right, they are the same floor plan. 2 bedroom, 2 full bath, 1 half bath. Really nicely built properties. This one and this one right here. So these 2 houses are almost 1,300 square feet. Primary suite on the first level, and also with the half bath on the first level. Really nicely staged. All the cabinets are soft closing. Nice chandelier. You have a pot filler right here, so you don't have to get water for your pasta from the sink and bring the pot back to the stove. So you can go water right there. And this is really nice because this fits a full-size stackable washer and dryer or a 2-in-1 combo. That saves you a lot of space. Here is the half bath. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Oh, hello everybody. And what's nice about this place is the staircase. They've taken advantage of the stairs and made a little storage area behind the stairs. So you can utilize that spot for more storage, like your suitcases. If you have like gym duffel bag or anything, or folding table, folding chair, you can use that. And here is your coat closet that doubles as a utility room. So you see all the cutouts are being made and the wires being done beforehand, so you don't have to do any openings on your walls later on for your cables, security system, your Wi-Fi, or anything like that. Here is your master suite, owner suite, primary suite. You can't even say that anymore. So yeah, walk-in closet. It's really decently sized for a 1,300 square feet house because it has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath. And sliding door, save more space. And all the floors are tiled. His and her double vanity. Enclosed shower with the rainfall shower head. Guys, if you don't know, you should. You need to get a rainfall shower head to your bathroom right now. You need to change that, because that's really good. I changed mine after seeing that. It's perfect. Money well spent. Going up, and all the floors, they're oak floor, real wood. So it's better than LVP. It's definitely better than carpet. Then there's no carpet in this house. Here's your linen closet. Another double vanity for the upper floor bedrooms. And a tub. Small window right there. And right here you will see 2 more bedrooms. Really nice. Really nicely done. And you have this street view right here. You probably see my truck. And the other room as well. The other room right now is being used as a study office. But here's the room. As you can see, really nice. Good place to be. Good place to be. Here is the property.